My name is Professor Stéphan Haulon. I'm the head of aortic surgery at Hôpital Marie Lannelongue, Groupe Hospitalier Paris Saint-Joseph. So my initial experience with Allia Moveo has been incredible, a real game changer. With Allia Moveo, we have this opportunity to position the system very quickly in any working position that it will adapt the best to us, to the anesthesiologist, to the various machines, IVs, ultrasound that we have in the room. And having this ability to have this compact system that moves fast from one position to the other makes a huge difference. The ultra-wide bore is very intuitive and gives you a huge flexibility on the various working angles you're working, and you don't need to change the table position, height, because it just positions itself really easily. And if there's an issue, you see it with the digital twin right away. One of the major milestones of this new system is having access to the reconstruction of the cone beam CT with clear recon DL, which is AI driven and which actually gives you much better image quality. It was maybe one of the Achilles heel of cone beam CT compared to CT scans. Now, with or without contrast, the quality of the cone beam CT you have at the end of the procedure is very impressive, and this actually helps us to be more precise and to depict any issues with the endograft, the bridging stents. If there's any endo leak, we can fix it right away and avoid a secondary procedure for the patient. And at each step of the procedure, we have our own layouts, and we can move very swiftly from one working position to another one that can be actually preset. You can pre-record and call them from table side.
I'm Dr. Ghostine. I'm the Chief Department of the Cardiology in Marie Lannelongue Hospital. I'm an interventional cardiologist. My first impression was how easy it is to learn. After 30 minutes of training, I was already able to manage my TAVI procedure completely on my own. It's really intuitive, and that's a huge advantage for rotating staff, as it's simple to get the most of Allia Moveo. Well, I'd say the mobility of the gantry is a big plus. It gives the anesthesia team very comfortable access to the patient's head. And the system flexibility and agility make a real difference. It's very easy to find the right position and angulation without losing time. Allia Moveo is also very compact, which gives us more options in terms of positioning, especially with the smart move positions. It facilitates staff circulation around the operating area. The Allia system is compact and really makes the workflow smoother. The highly personalized user interfaces give me greater autonomy. I can quickly access all the key tools like image review, angulation management, storing my preferred angulation for specific procedures like TAVI, and even gantry control right from my working position.